about today?
Oh, I'm super happy. It's just that I'm not feeling well, but it's also
Ready.
yes, I'm more than ready. I was born ready.
You were born ready. Okay?
Yes. No, mnandi ziva ndinemincili guys. Imincili yes, imincili.
So like le role ni iqhelile ngicela ugobhoza nje kwanini abanye.
Into yethu hayi kaloku sani ladies never disappoint sana indaba indaba zikamakhelwane sizazi zonke sana nabangazazi bona bathi ewe kaloku mkhukhu sana indaba zihlala everyday and now we are ready
Oh, like irole ni ngomahlalela.
ngomahlalela abathanda indaba yabathanda indaba akho nto esiyenzayo ebomini bathi
So umsebenzi wenu like use unemployment rate.
yes thina sayiyusa sithanda indaba akho nto esiyenzayo but indaba siphila ngazo into esiphila ngayo yes
abonye khona ngiyapha yabo uyibona yena enibona njengesizwe ngokabuza ngikangeni yabo ngifika nibe baba face ya awuqoqoza ngani ba yabo
So ready.
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Anxiety, yes.
For the anxiety.
I'm anxious, but let me just take a breath. It's
You are right, no? Irole yakho like you show like you are prepared.
yeah, I'm prepared.
Usikhethelwa you khethelwa.
Then that's getting.
Kodwa mizoyibulala ixoxisile yini.
I'll try. Do my best.
Dennis gone.
Hello.
The last one. How do you feel about irole yakho?
I'm feeling good. I feel good. Yeah.
Uzoyibulala na?
Yes.
You sure? Awuzuhleka.
No one's saying. I'm just saying as well.